In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a Google Cloud organization and help you understand what happens if you don't have one set up in the first place. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to confirm that your organization is actually removed. Let's start from inside the Google Cloud console. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has the proper permissions to manage the organization. If your account doesn't have the right access, you might not see the options we're about to use, so it's important that you're using an administrator or owner account for the organization you want to delete. First, you need to open the section where you can manage your resources. From the main Google Cloud Console homepage, look for the navigation menu, usually at the top left of the screen. Click that, and in the list of options, find and select the area labeled something along the lines of Manage Resources or Resource Manager. This is where Google Cloud lists your projects and organizations and lets you perform actions on them. Once you're in the Manage Resources page, you'll see a table or list of all the resources associated with your account. This list can include projects and, if you have one, your organization. At the top of the page, there is usually a drop-down or selector where you can choose the organization. Click that and select the organization you want to delete. Make absolutely sure you've picked the correct organization, especially if you have access to more than one. Deleting the wrong one can remove access to all the projects and resources under it, so double-check the name and make sure it's the one you really intend to remove. After selecting the organization, look for an option to delete it. This is often available through a menu on the right side of the row or near the top of the page. Once the organization is highlighted, click the option labeled Delete. When you do this, Google Cloud will not immediately remove the organization. Instead, it will bring up a confirmation message. This confirmation step is important. It's there to make sure you understand that deleting an organization can have serious consequences if it still contains active projects or resources. Read the prompt carefully. It may ask you to type in the name of the organization or confirm that you understand the effects of this action. Follow the instructions on the screen and then confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, Google Cloud will proceed with removing that organization. In some cases, there may be a short delay or a pending state before it is fully cleared. Now, there is one more scenario to be aware of. If, when you open the Google Cloud console and go to the Manage Resources section, you see a message that says no organization. That simply means you don't have a Google Cloud organization associated with your account. In that case, there is nothing to delete. You can safely ignore the deletion steps because no organization was created in the first place. So to recap, open the Manage Resources area, select the organization you want to remove, click Delete, and confirm the action when prompted. And if you see no organization, you're already done.